How's it going? My name's Christian. I'm production manager here at DC, and today we're at a project out here in Sandy, Oregon, and we're going to talk about roof framing. So what we're looking at here is one of our roof bundles that got delivered the other day, and the guys are up there putting it together right now. As you can see, everything is pre-cut and labeled on where the parts go. What makes this prefab system so great is the amount of time these guys save putting this stuff together. Using these prefab rafters, these guys will shave 1 to 2 weeks off the install time. And the amount of waste that they have won't even fill up one of these big dumpsters out here. When you're building a structure, it's very important that you start with a level and square surface to work off of. And it's important to keep that going up as you build. So when you come up to the next floor, you make sure that you have plumb level walls and that you brace everything straight. As you go up to the top and you get to the roof rafters and you have our prefab roof system, all of those pre-cut rafters are then going to fit the way that they should. We've got a string here on this. We like to make sure the hip is nice and straight so that when all the rafters come in, they all fit right. You're left with a nice finished product at the end. When you look up, you don't have a crooked looking roof.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about our best practices or our heavy timber structures, please give us a call or visit our website.